In this video, I will share with you the best no-code SaaS builders. So I've got two popular ones right here, and these are my favorite ones. The first one is Bubble.io, and the second is Flutterflow. Now they serve two different purposes, and I'll tell you which one is best depending on what kind of a SaaS you want to build without using any code. So this is what the builder will kind of look like, so you can really easily just add elements and stuff like that. But what I will do is, if you want to do a web app or progressive web apps, then I would go with Bubble. But if you want to create a native mobile only app, then I would use Flutterflow. So if you're strictly looking to build a basically desktop web app, then I would go with Bubble.io. But if you want to build a native mobile app and maybe also a web app, then I would use Flutterflow, because Flutterflow is really good for mobile app building. Now they have a bunch of templates and stuff like that. They both have that, and they are really good. And I would honestly just try both of them. But again, if you want to build a web app, then I would go with Bubble. And if you want to build a mobile app, I would go with Flutterflow. And maybe on top of the mobile app, you also want to have a web app, you can also do that with Flutterflow. Now I'll leave links to both of them down in the description that you can use to get started for free. And in order to build the marketing website, because you will see I have a third tab open right here, Webflow. So to build the website for your SaaS, I would use Webflow. It's really good, but you cannot build SaaS with it but some people think that you can actually build SaaS using Webflow, but you cannot do that. But personally, I would use Webflow to build the marketing website, because you can create really good looking websites. So I'll leave links to all three of these tools down in the description, and whether you pick Bubble or Flutterflow and Webflow, using these two tools that you pick, you can create any SaaS you want basically without any coding. And you will see Bubble has a completely free plan, and Flutterflow also has a completely free plan that you can just use to get started with. So that makes it really low barrier to entry. So now you know my personal favorite no-code SaaS builders. Again, you can get started with all three of these tools completely for free by clicking on the links down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.